Here I have Vernee Mix 2, and today I'm going to show you how to enter Fastboot mode on this device. So first of all, you have to turn your device off, and after it completely turns off, what you will have to do is to hold down combination of keys, power key and volume up at the same time for a few seconds, like this. After you enter this kind of menu, you have to use volume up key to navigate to the second option, Fastboot mode, and then select it with volume down. And as you can see, the sign Fastboot mode appeared, which is proof that we are in the Fastboot mode now. So if you want to exit Fastboot mode, just hold down power key for about 5 or 10 seconds and your device will be restarted after that. Or not, it will be turned off. You have to turn it back on by holding down power key. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.